How to create AdSense account for your YouTube channel, quick tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can start earning from AdSense from your YouTube channel, basically. So you're going to come over to Google AdSense and you're going to create an account with your Gmail. Now, I clearly have an account with my Gmail over here. Now, once you have an account with your Gmail, obviously you're going to add some type of site, okay? Some type of site that you want to take AdSense off from. So I have a YouTube channel that obviously you're going to open the URL to. Now, once you open the URL to your YouTube channel, so I'm going to go on your channel, and this is the URL for my channel, so I'm going to copy, and once I copy, I'm going to come here, I'm going to click on add another site, and we're going to paste this, and this basically adds my YouTube channel. You can also, it says to add the site, you need to go to the host platform of this site, so you can actually add AdSense for yourself by coming here, okay? And you're going to go over to your YouTube studio. Obviously, first of all, you're going to make sure that your AdSense account is properly created. So in the case that it does not let you add it through your AdSense, you can just come over to your YouTube Creator Studio. Now, once you're in your YouTube Creator Studio, you are going to click on Earn. And once you click on Earn, obviously, it's going to wait for things to load up. And there we go. So many ways to earn. It's going to give you all these ways. Watch page ads, short feed ads, etc., etc. So you're going to connect your AdSense to this by emailing them, okay? This says, how do I join? Want to be emailed when you hit these requirements. Obviously, you're going to need to have some set requirements. You're going to need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and you're going to need 10, like one of these, either 10 million short views or, 4,000 public watch hours. So once you get these amount of views and everything is reviewed up, that is when you can actually connect your AdSense to your YouTube. So yeah, apart from that, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.